Hi there, pop pickers. I made the mistake that I've made several times before, but it's just, it has to be done. The singers have been rehearsed on occasions separately to the band. So the singers, we worked out an ending to the song, and when I took it to the band declared it cheesy. So I've worked out another ending, and I'm going to share this with the band and the singers. But for the hell of it, I just thought I'd give it to you, the public, warts and all. And I hasten to add, I can't actually sing in this key, but this is how it would end, hopefully de-cheesed. They all drift away, and you never see them again. You wonder what they're doing, wonder what they're doing, you wonder what they're doing now. That's the very end. So what would happen there, guys, is that on that final key lift end, Sless would sing, wonder what they're doing. Lorraine, wonder what they're doing. Mick, wonder what they're doing now. Key lift, walk off, tumultuous applause. We hope.